In this video, we're going to create an account on the Bitcoin.com exchange. And as a note, for those that downloaded and installed the Proton VPN, you'll notice up here on the top left that you actually only have a total of 7 days as a trial period until you'll have to either upgrade or find a different VPN. But 7 days will give you plenty of time to make some trades and even export your CloudCoin from the exchange where you can put it into your desktop wallet. So let's navigate to, let's actually put in exchange.bitcoin.com. And let's hit start trading here. Okay, so to register, we will put in an email address. And I will create a password. And let's hit register. Okay, and it tells me that, I'm going to just click out of that for now. It tells me that it has sent me a confirmation email. So I'm going to check on my phone for that confirmation link that comes in the email. And there we go. Once you click on the link in your email, you'll come to the screen and you'll want to scroll down there and you'll have to check these boxes and hit confirm. And there we are. Let's skip this for the moment. And I will see you in the next video.